Meaning of heart-stopping.
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 Heart-stopping. Heart-stopping is an adjective used to describe something that causes a sudden and intense feeling of fear or excitement, so strong that it feels like your heart has stopped beating momentarily. It is often used in the context of thrilling or dangerous situations such as extreme sports, action movies, or suspenseful moments in literature. The term implies that the experience is incredibly intense and can leave one feeling breathless or overwhelmed. In essence, heart-stopping is a powerful way to convey the intensity of an experience that can produce a range of emotions from exhilaration to terror.